so in this video, we do a shorter graduated haircut. It'd been a long time since my model had gotten her hair cut, and so she wanted something shorter, but something that was going to make her hair look fuller and thicker. So that is why we did some graduation to make the crown area look fuller and thicker versus flat. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, please don't forget to put them down in the comments section below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much again for watching. All right, so here is the before of my model. Now, my model has thick hair. And thick hair tends to be heavy hair. And heavy hair tends to weigh itself down, creating more of a flat shape. What my model wanted was something much shorter, but something that would create fullness, that would make her hair look thicker and fuller. Even though her hair is thick, because it was long, because it was heavy, it was flat. So we were going for a shorter, more fuller looking hairstyle. So what I decided to do was some graduation. So as you can see right now, I'm taking sections starting at the side of the head, right above the ear, diagonal sections, holding my fingers in a diagonal way and cutting graduation from the sides, and I will continue that graduation all the way to the back. final and highest section on the left side. And once I complete this section, the shape will be all done. And then what I'm going to do is blow dry the hair and finalize the haircut. I'm going to start off by cutting in the outline, the desired outline, which you can see right here. And then once this desired outline is all done, I will go through and cross-check the graduation and make sure that the desired look is what I want. Here, I am taking the top and making it a little bit lighter by chipping into the top. The graduation's all done, but I still want to make sure that the hair is on the lighter side. We already discussed how she has thick hair, and thick hair tends to be heavy hair. And so what I'm doing here is just going through and texturizing the top to make it less thick and less heavy. And just to wrap up the haircut, what I want to do is just go through and slice out even a little bit more of the weight. As you can see, the graduated shape makes the crown area look nice and full and thick. Even though it's thick, heavy hair, it's not weighing itself down anymore. And by going through and slicing out more of the hair underneath the occipital bone, it will just bring more texture, more leanness to the back, accentuating the graduation at the top. Alright, so we have come to the end of the haircut, and as you can see, we've created a nice graduated shape, which adds fullness and thickness to the back of the head, and it is much shorter and lighter and not as heavy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this haircut. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And thank you so very much again for watching.